exact checklist that you need to be using before answering any maths question in your GCSE sciences. And this is the exact checklist that I teach my own one-to-one pupils to make sure they're not leaving any marks on the table.
Number 1, quantities.
This is completely non-negotiable. Before you start answering your question, underline the various quantities in that question, and I need you to write out the symbol, the quantity, and the units. So, for example, in this question here, I would write out mass is 8 kilograms, kinetic energy is 1,100 joules, and V is equal to question mark.
Number 2, equations.
You get given your formula book in your exam. So now, with these different quantities, kinetic energy, mass, looking for speed, I'm hunting for the correct equation in my formula book. That is a formula that involves mass, kinetic energy, and speed, which happens to be this one here.
3, conversions.
You then need to look back at your quantities and notice whether any of those things need converting before you plug them into the equation. Actually, for these ones, we are all okay.
Number 4, substitute and rearrange.
Now you put those quantities into the correct part of your equation and you rearrange to make, in this case, your speed the subject.
Number 5, check.
So for this answer, we get 16.6 meters per second. Does that seem like a sensible speed? Yeah, that seems okay to me, but I also want to check, did they ask me to leave it to any number of significant figures? Not in this question, so I can leave it to as many or as little significant figures as I wish. Make sure you're making your way through that entire checklist, and that is the best way to bag marks in those maths questions, even if you don't reach the final answer. Make sure to follow this account for more GCSE science tips.